Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday and the weather for today is about 19. Time check 4:13. Late na ako lumabas kasi kanina nakalagay sa phone is raining. So, yan basa yung lupa. Tsaka malapit lang yung bus stop ko ngayon. So, yan lang everyone. Today is 12th of August. Tuesday. Sa pangkaraniwang panahon. That's it. And see you. And shout out sa mga laging nanonood ng aking video everyone. See after 8 minutes walk or 5 minutes. It depends upon my walk. So see you when I see you everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And God bless us all. Breakfast time everyone. Biscuit lang ang baong ko. Kasi masama talaga ang akantiyan. My first bus 70 everyone. Thank you. I'm in the bus. I'll take bus again. Time check 11:34. Kain tayo. Lunch. While watching the YouTube. Pagdating ko kanina, antok talaga ako. So, nakatulog ako. Then, yun. Maaga ako ako narito. Mga 10. No, wala pang 10. Ata. Or 10. Something like that. Tapos, ayun. Nakatulog ako. Antok ako. Kaya nakabawi na ako. Kumbaga sa cellphone nakapag-charge. So, ayun lang everyone. Kain tayo ngayon ng lunch. Mag-lunch tayo 11:35. It's enough. Thank you for watching and subscribe, like, and share. Time check 3:18 everyone. I'm going to work. Super init. Nagtatago ako sa arawan. Kaya dito ako sa liliman. Dahil super init. Yan. Dito tatawid ako. Instead na dun sa other side, dito muna ako tatawid. Kasi katakit ang araw. Ang sakit sa sakit sa face. Yan everyone. Ito palilim mo. This side. Ayan lang everyone. See you later. After 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. My first train is here everyone. So, Habadok. Super init everyone. My second train.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Finchley Road.
Way out everyone. 15:54. Wow, it's too early. It's too early for 4:02. So I'm gonna drop in Boots. The last. No one is behind me. Yeah, that's why I'm going out. Way out. And then go to Boots. Good evening everyone. Just arrived at the train. 1937, so 7:37. So daan tayo sa Sainsbury para may baon ako bukas. Matching ng aking coffee. Ayun, pero hindi ako pwede ng tinapay kasi masakit pa yung aking tummy. So,
Is your mic working? No. No?
Mari.
His mic said.
Kain tayo everyone. Now lang ako kakain. Mag-dinner kasi nakatulog ako. Oh, diba? Maga akong dumating. 8:10. Pero ayun nga, nakatulog ako. 9:10. Nakatulog ako ng 3 hours na. Everyone.